Want to make sure the right person sees your message in Outlook? Using the @ symbol is a simple way to do it. Start by opening Outlook and going to the Mail section, click New Message, or Reply to open your email draft. In the body of your email, type @ followed immediately by the person's name, no space needed. Outlook will suggest contacts from your address book. Select the right contact, and their name will be highlighted in your message and automatically added to the recipient line if they aren't already included. This feature is perfect for directing attention, assigning tasks, or pointing out key information. Keeping your contacts up to date ensures Outlook recognizes names quickly and accurately. Using it mentions consistently can reduce back and forth emails, making your communication clearer and more efficient. Give it a try in your next email and notice how much smoother collaboration becomes. If this tip helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Outlook shortcuts and productivity hacks.